I left college at 3:30 p.m. It is 3:48, so that's what, 18 minutes. This is everyday route and city traffic I need to take to get home from college. It's 51 minutes. It was showing an hour and I can't remember how much, an hour and something. Oh, what just happened there? But today you guys can see the reality of living in a horrible place like Birmingham and its traffics and its potholes, because I think traffic and potholes are the two worst things about Birmingham, and I absolutely hate it. I'm calling it. I'll be home by 4:50, not 4:45, 4:50. I think that's such a nice Mercedes. What the hell? I'm gonna keep the video a little long today, maybe 20 minutes. You guys get all the nice bits of me driving home. This horrible weather and traffic conditions. Nothing there. Check. Nice, bro. Sick. My MPG takes a hit. What is this? 22 MPG. This morning I came with 42 MPG. Hold up, let me insert the picture. Yeah, 42 MPG. I swear it was 42. Something like up in the 40s. And now I'm on 23 MPG. Bro, this is gonna kill my petrol. So my road etiquette is on point. I always let people through, but I hate it when they don't give me that, little hazard, say thank you. Bro, shit infuriates me. I don't know why. It's not like I'm doing them a miracle, but it's just a nice thing. I love, or when they be like, oh my god, that's so cute. The good thing is I know this route in and out is saying go straight. I'm gonna go left and it's gonna be much less traffic. I think so, at least. Yeah, thank god. Look, I'll be able to hopefully go right with this signal, and the only traffic there will be is at the very end. Other than that, it should be minimal. But watch, literally no traffic. I hope I didn't jinx myself. Oh shit, I did. Oh, maybe I should have listened to. Oh god, that is bad. That is really bad. Oh, I'm cooked. I know someone's gonna flame me in the comments. I just contradicted myself, saying I would have saved more time going from there to here. Right, we got onto a new road. That road, scrap that. We got onto something called Aldridge Road. I have no clue what the hell this is, but we're going right. Oh, thank God this isn't like a two-way thing. Alright, can I go? Yeah, let's go. What the fuck? I swear this is my right of way. Move, bro. What is with stupid drivers here? Sorry guys, there's a little bit of road rage. this is how we drive in Birmingham. Honk, come on, let me through. I know you want me to merge. Come on, honk. Bro, let me through, let me through. Bro, I need to. Oh, I'll go straight. Alright. This is quality content driving rush hour traffic. This is what I know you learner drivers are so gassed and excited to pass your test, all of that jazz, and like, oh, I have the freedom to drive. No, you don't have the freedom, especially if you live in a city. This is what you have to go through, bro. Let's go. One exit. Please tell me someone saw that. I wanna go left. There's no one coming. There we go. Perfect. Bro, call me a genius. Dad told me so many people get fines over here. Where's the speed limit sign? Okay, it says 40, so I'm gonna go 40. I don't see any new 30 speed limit. Yeah, fuck my life. Alright, bro. Why don't you just make this a 20 zone? You know, it's not like cars move anyways. Drivers on smoke. Come on guys, green light. I ain't gonna turn any greener. Don't make me honk you. Go on. Come on. Don't stop, bro, please. You're fine. Oh, I know where we're at, thank God. I think we're kind of close. No, we're in town. I think. Yeah, we're in town. Oh no, we're not in town. We're in flipping. What's this called? Lozos. Those who know. Lozos gotta be the worst place in this world. It's gonna take me through that bullshit place again. Right, prime example. What is this? Like, what is this? Why are you parking here, bro? For what reason could you want to park here? Turn. Yo. Bro, stop. I love you, bro. Thank you so much. See, you go through a heart attack every time you try to drive through Lozos and Alam Rock and Ladypool Road and Coventry Road, the big four. Holy shit. Turn this off. Can you believe this is a two-way street, right? Two-way street. People are meant to pass. A car's meant to go that way if it comes. How? Like, oh, I love the A7s. They look so good. Anyways, back to topic. How the hell are you meant to? Oh shit, maybe it is. No, it is. Okay, Nani, Allah Hafiz. James Harse. Allah Hafiz. Basha Jay called him. Just got off call with my grandma. Gave me some motivation to not crash out on quad. Sorry, gave me motivation not to crash out. Currently 12 minutes away. Arrival. In a second, alright? Let's see who's gonna let me merge. I feel like a dickhead doing this, but I have to. You look nice enough to merge, Mercedes. Thank you. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. So here's one big deep one, another one, another one, another one. I hate those 4 potholes. It is so bad because sometimes, like the first few weeks, when I didn't pay attention, it messed my car suspension up so badly. I'm pretty sure. Nah, never mind. But it's just, you know, you just gotta take it like a, I can't say that, that's weird. But you know what I'm trying to say, it's so bad. There's so many potholes that you don't see, and they just don't get fixed. And by the time they do get fixed, they're back again like this. I don't know who rips these roads. I don't know if Godzilla comes here at night or not. It's so bad. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what it's really like to drive home every day. Can we get a time check? 4:57. I don't know if you can see it there, but you'll see it here. Where's my 4:57 p.m. What time did I say I was gonna get home by? 4:45. I mean, I am like 2-3 minutes away from home, but regardless, let's say 5 o'clock. I'll reach home by 5 o'clock. I left college at 3:30. 5 o'clock, I'm reaching home. That's just crazy to me. 5:04. Finally parked up at home. Crazy. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.